As we leave Tomingley Town, I'll mention one interesting fact in the history of the town. After the Second World War, the Australian military needed to get rid of a huge stockpile of guns and other military hardware. In all their wisdom, they decided to dump it all into one of the biggest mines in this area. I guess metal recycling at that time wasn't very high on the agenda. You will also notice a couple of gantries across the road in this section. As the Newell Highway is one of the major truck routes, the gantries contain cameras which photograph each truck. They then use software to check the truck's speed, plus calculate their average speed from all the gantries along the route. This is of course meant to reduce the likelihood of the trucks speeding. The trucks in New South Wales are not allowed to go faster than 100 kilometers an hour or 62 miles on any road. Interestingly, the speed cameras in the gantries are not turned on to capture other vehicles speeding, at least not at present. This may change though later on. However, in this section we stop at a rest stop where I could put up my drone to catch a glimpse of the Newell Highway and, of course, the Arkane open-cut mines on either side of the highway. I'll put up the drone footage separate to this video. From there on, it's pretty flat and straight all the way to the town of Peak Hill, where we go to the Peak Hill open-cut gold mine. Peak Hill was established as a town back in 1889 when they found gold in the area. The open-cut mine was operated from about 1893 to 1917, and then again from 1996 to 2002. The town of Peak Hill, with its population of about 1,200 people, uses the open cut as a tourist attraction with a walking track along its rim with lots of information on the mine. The access to the open cut is free and the self-guided walks along the rims are not difficult or long. So at the end of this video I have put a few photos to show you some of the magnificent colors you can see in the pit and the water at the bottom. I guess it's certainly not a place to want to bathe in for sure, as you see in the photos. I'll also have a separate video with some photos and drone footage I took from the open cut as well, so look out for that.